Okay, does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, I love my name. My name is given happiness. My name is in our language Farhan. Farhan meaning is give happiness. Happiness. My parents love my name, and also my friend and relative love my name, and I also is a very unique name for me because
Okay.
my name is match for my habit and
My
nature.
name matches with my
Habit and
habits.
nature.
Okay. All right. Just try to focus. Does your name have any special meaning? Only focus the meaning of the name, right? Let's go on. Is your name very common in your country?
No, not much. My name, my whole life, very few people
I have
with,
seen very few people with the same
with
name.
same name.
So my name is very
Very,
common. I think it's rather a unique name.
yes,
बात को आगे बढ़ाना है ना? Okay.
yes.
All right. Would you like to change your name?
No, I don't like.
I wouldn't like
Uh,
to change my name because
because like my name, I love my name. My name is match my nature.
my name matches with my nature. Now, this is what you are saying second time. This
Okay,
is what we call repetition.
okay.
So, try to avoid any repetition. Okay, do people in your country ever change their name?
Some people know me my nickname. My nickname is Goni. Is
No, but the
very
question is, do people. Okay. People change their name from name to nickname. Okay, so your nickname is?
Goni. Very unique name. You could not say here first time. Goni is very unique name. My friend and relative say call to me my nickname.
Actually, your answers do not match with the question sometimes. The
Okay.
question is, do people in your country ever change their name? Say, yes, in my country, very rarely people change their name. Sometimes people don't like their names and then they change them. On the other hand, some names have bad impact on the people. So, in order to remove that, they change their names. So, yes, but this happens very, very rarely. Like that. Understand the question, but you go somewhere else.
I understand your question, but I'm little bit confused.
Okay, don't worry. All right, one last question. Uh, what do your family members call you at home? As you mentioned your nickname, so you can talk
Yes.
about it again.
Everybody call me like Hafiz, and some call me Farhan.
Some people call
Some
me.
people call me Farhan. Some people call me my nickname Goni, and uh, everybody call me in different name.
Different people call me with different names, and it depends actually. All right, so just try to overcome your confusion, and gradually it's going to be fine, right?